Namaskara to one and all present here. Welcome to Sandipani Radio. I am Soresh from the Literary and Media Club and I will be partaking in some of the upcoming podcasts along with this one. This is the very first working podcast for the Sandipani Reading Month and I would like to discuss a few things. To start off, literature is a vast topic. It cannot be confined to a single definition. However, all written works are documented in the vessel of books. These works can be of varied genres and it is crucial for us to find the one that suits us the most. Books are something through which literary lovers can express their admiration towards literature by either writing one or reading one. Now, I would like to welcome our interviewee of the day, Kavya Agarwal, who is an active member of our team and a senior to me. I can always spot her lurking around the most bizarre corners of the campus, gazing into a book. Let's ask her about some of her most preferred genres and reading habits.
Hi Soresh, I'm extremely glad to be a part of this podcast through which we literary lovers get a chance to share our appreciation towards the varied works of legends and literature. I don't have a favorite genre of sorts. However, I usually find myself reading mysteries and thrillers or sweet romances. My reading habits are not confined to a fixed schedule. I always have a book with me no matter where I go. Hence, I read whenever I get the chance to.
It's really wonderful to know about the unique variety of books you read. I would love to know how books make you feel when you read them.
I, genuinely spoken, often get frustrated over a few things I read. That second-hand embarrassment we get from a few characters leading us to give voice to our thoughts, asking why they did that. However, the peaceful feeling of reading books and flipping through its pages after a stressful day provides me with that feeling as if the time has stopped. Books make me feel vice-scheduled. I cannot connect them with a particular emotion.
Wow. Really? Wow. That's thoughtful of you. I noticed that you are holding a book in your hand. May I get to have a few inputs about it?
Oh yes, Sherlock. I see some great observation skills over here. This book that I have with me right now is a part of the A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series. It's written by Holly Jackson, who is a really famous mystery writer. The main character in this whole series is Pippa Fitz-Amobi. I will not give spoilers about the books for the ones who have not read it, but I will for sure say that this book has some amazing plots and you will be captivated once you start reading it. This book has caught my attention because a lot of students in my school were reading it and I was recommended by my friends to read this as well. I read the first book and was flabbergasted from the ending of the book. The way everything was expressed, every emotion felt was genuinely unreal. This book also changed my perspective of viewing a few particular things.
It seems like you have a wonderful choice of books. Could you be kind enough to recommend a few books for our audience?
Oh yes, for sure, why not? So, if I were to recommend a few books, if you're a senior like me and love mystery, there is not a particular book that I would like to recommend, but instead a few authors. Agatha Christie is one of the best mystery authors that I have read till now. Her books are short and they are very captivating, whereas Holly Jackson usually focuses on series, but her books are also amazing and provide you with some beautiful plot twists. And then if you're a junior, Percy Jackson series by Rick Riordan. It's one of the most famous books and it's mythological. Then comes Harry Potter. I'm pretty sure most of us have read it, and the ones who have not, trust me, you're missing out on a lot of great things. Go ahead and read it.
It was great chatting with you today. And for the audience, I would like to conclude today's podcast with a beautiful quote. Each time you open a book and read it, a tree smiles somewhere knowing that there is life after death.
Remember, always keep reading.
Bye.
Bye.